Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Snapchat bug. First, you have to restart the app. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor bugs, and you have to close the Snapchat app completely and then reopen it if the issue still persists. And you have to make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat. In order to make sure that, you have to open your Play Store and you have to check if there are any updates available for Snapchat. And here we could see we are already up to date, so there are not any updates available. And if restarting the app does not work, check your internet connection. Ensure that you're having a stable and reliable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause various issues such as slow loading times or failed uploads. You have to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or switch to the mobile data to see if the problem still persists. And if you're using Snapchat on Android device, you have to clear the app cache may help. So press the Snapchat app just like this and go to the app information and go to the storage and cache and clear the cache which is on the bottom. And if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can reach out to Snapchat support for assistance and provide them with details about the bug or your experience, including any error messages when it started and what steps you will take to try to fix it. And as a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat app, which is on the bottom that says uninstall like this. And if you want to uninstall this app, you have to tap on OK. But if you still want to keep app data, tap on that small box over there. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix common Snapchat bugs. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.